Hi, this is an introduction to the stamp game. We're going to be doing all sorts of work with the stamp game, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So this material is really well liked by children in the classroom, and let's just do a quick introduction. So we have these green stamps that have the number 1 on them. They represent ones or units. We often use the term units in Montessori classroom. And these stamps or tiles, they are blue. Blue represents the 10 family. So 10s are always written in blue. And moving up, we have red. These are hundreds. Each stamp has 100 stamped right on the tile. So green, blue, red, and then you'll notice we go back to green. These are our thousands. And in the Montessori environment, you're going to see this repeating itself. So it's always going to be green, blue, red, green. If I had 10,000s, they would be blue. And if I had 100,000s, they would be red. It just continues on. You may notice we also have these little round circular discs in the box. And again, we have green, blue, or red. If we're working on an equation that has a 0 in it, here's an example that we were just doing. We could use one of these to hold the place value for 0. The Skittles, again, we have in green, blue, and red. And these are used to share things out. So if I was doing division and I had a divisor of 2, I could set out 2 unit Skittles. Or if I was multiplying by 13, I could put out a blue Skittle to represent 10. And then 3 green Skittles to represent 3. So that's what these Skittles are for. You're not going to be using them in addition or subtraction. These are for multiplication and division. Whenever you're using this material, I always suggest make sure that the student has graph paper or a math book or something that they can write on nearby, and preferably colored pencils or pencil crayons. And here I have a green, a blue, and a red, because you should be writing the question and the answer in the corresponding colors, okay? That's a quick introduction to stamp game, but in videos that are going to be posted on this YouTube channel, you're going to be seeing all sorts of examples for simple addition, and then dynamic addition, static subtraction, and then dynamic subtraction, multiplication, and division.